Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can turn off Windows Defender. Now, from your desktop here, you want to click on the Windows icon here on Start, and then you want to type in Settings. Now, on Settings, just click on Settings here. Now, on Settings, go to Privacy and Security. Now, on Privacy and Security, go to Windows Security up here. Now, on Windows Security, you can see there's a virus and threats protection here. Now, just click on Open Windows Security, and this will open Windows Defender, right? That's the other name for it. Now, if you want to disable it, you want to go to Virus and Threat Protection. This is Windows Defender, right? Now, you can see right now my Virus and Threat Protection settings is off. Now, I'm going to show you how to turn it on. Now, for example, this is on, right? Right now, it's on. Let's wait for it to load. Now you can see it's on. To make sure, you want to go to manage settings. Now you can see all of these are on right now. Of course, if you want to turn it off, just click on this, on yes, and you can see all of it is off now. You can also do cloud delivery protection, but I'm just going to turn that off. And I'm also going to turn this off. So all of my Windows Defender settings here, of course, is off now. So if you enjoyed this video, please do consider liking and subscribing.